Welcome! In front of me I have ROGBIT S2 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the ROGBIT application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the ROGBIT application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon right here at the bottom to open the device page. On this page you should see category called watch faces, and in this category you should see one watch face which has the edit button under it. Tap on it. And here we can customize our watch face. We can tap on time position to change the position of the clock. We can tap on above time to change the type of data above the clock. We can tap on below time to change the type data below the clock. And then we can change the color of the text. And once you're done customizing this, you can scroll through the list of presets. And at the end you should have the AI watch face and choose from album. If you select AI watch face, it will open the camera app. You can allow the permission, and then you can take a photo. And once you take a photo, it will make an like AI generated watch face. So let's say, for example, we're gonna take a photo of this, and crop the image, maybe like this, and then tap on generate. And it's gonna give you some ideas that it came up with from the picture, and you can select one of the ideas, and then you can basically adjust it. You can come up with something basically. If you want to, you can customize them a little, or you can take another picture and see if you have something better. But basically that's how it works. You take a picture and AI generates some watch faces. You can select, or you can also use the kaleidoscope or whatever it's called option, and you can create something from the picture. You can basically mix it up. Okay, and then once you're done, you can tap on confirm, and here we have preview of our watch face. But let's say you want to select the picture from the phone. You already have a picture on your phone and you want to use it as a watch face. You can tap on choose from album. It will open the list of folders, and you can basically open folder, and then you can select the picture. You can crop the image, basically zoom out or zoom in. You can move it around, and once you're done, tap on the check mark to confirm, and for some reason it didn't apply. Let's try again. So crop the image, tap on the check mark. There was an error, I didn't see it. Let's try again. Cannot retrieve cropped image. That's weird. Is it too big? Maybe let's try this one. Well, this one worked, so maybe the other picture was too big, or it was a weird format. But anyway, you can select the picture, and once you select the picture, you will have the preview of your watch face. And then again, you can change the color of the phone. And once you're done, you can tap on save to save the watch face, and it's gonna be basically applied to your watch. Okay, and here we have it. So basically that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.